What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna see what we can clear today. I'm shooting for 1500, but we'll see how it goes. So we'll just kind of tally everything up. Thanks for riding along, and enjoy.
Oh guys, here's number one. It is slick up here. 815 sayonara.
All right, it is 8:58. I had a call come in last minute. It was like super easy. All it was, the furnace was working fine, but the basement and the upper level, like it was getting cold upstairs and hot downstairs. She had all the vents turned off upstairs. So I literally just adjusted the vents, cleaned her flame sensor, and $100. So we're headed over to do 2 more swamp coolers, and then we'll be on to the next one.
Here's cooler number 2. We just winterized number 1 over on the other side, but this one's a little bit different. This is a window unit, and it has the pad here and the pan here. Same concept though, pumps it up through the top, and then in this pan soaks the whole pad and blows it into the window. So we're gonna winterize this one. Water's already shut off, but I wanted to show you, if you haven't seen these, you are missing out. I'm gonna put a link to in the description to these, but I use these all the time when swamp cooler 1/4-inch copper or PVC, like the plastic line, breaks for whatever reason. You simply cut it and put one of these unions in, and it's just a slip fitting. So you can take this off and you can pop it on instead of having to thread one of those things on, and they always leak. But these, I've never had one leak, and they're just amazing. So I'll put a link to that in the description. So we'll show you this one once it's buttoned up, and then we got 2 swamp coolers, 2 furnaces at this unit, and then we'll be on to the next swamp cooler. This is furnace number 1. This little guy. 2 burner. Ooh. Pretty nasty. So unit number 1 is working pretty well, but the washer dryer is right here, and I noticed a lot of dust stuff inside the cabinet. So I think I'm gonna recommend doing fresh air next to the exhaust, because they were hacks and they did not install this. Clearly there's not enough room here to pull fresh air for the furnace. But other than that, this one looks like it's working good. Come here. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me that. Okay. So I'm doing this furnace tune-up, and I just found aluminum foil. Look at this. Straight up in the fan. The fan is blocked. There's like tons of aluminum foil all up in the fan. Holy cow. This is crazy. This is just on the one side. I've never seen nothing like that. I wonder how this happened. And this is why we do tune-ups and checks. Well, I didn't get a video of it, but man, beautiful view. The West Mountains over there, East Bench. So that one I just did. It took about 30 minutes. I put some duct sealant up on hers, so it was a little bit extra. It's $100 for her. Doing this one, it's draining right now, and then cover it up, and I'll be on to the next one. So it just doesn't want to come on. Never gotten into the inside of one of these, so I have to figure each one out individually.
Yeah, I'm clueless.
There we go. It's a cool little stove.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you guys had it for a while?
We have. We got one of those, we got one before this that was supposedly made by Quakers. And it put out no heat at all.
Oh, wow.
We ended up spending $200 to return it.
Oh, no.
But this one has worked out real well.
And this one's ventless, right? So you don't have to vent it out. That's pretty cool. There it goes.
Oh.
Oh, so this just adjusts how big the flame is.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want that up all the way?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, it does put out some good heat. I might have to get me one of these. There we go. All right, we got 2 more down. It's 158. We got these buttoned up, and I believe we have 2 more that we got to do today. I already put my ladder up, but this is unit number, I've lost track at this point. 3 o'clock, and that one that had the damaged drywall, they want me to come back right now and patch. I told them $300 and I would patch the drywall that was damaged on that one. So I'm gonna go grab my big truck and head back over there. Should be done by probably 5, but might end up being a $1,500 day. We'll tally it up for you guys at the end of this. This is one of the drywall patches. I'll post a picture of what it looked like before. It's kind of hard to see the texture. Texture's hard to match, but it looks a million times better. He's just trying to sell this place and wanted it to not stick out like a sore thumb. So $300 for that. It's 521, and we're just packing up. Well, I was shy of 1,500 by $50, but still an awesome day. None of this work was technical at all. It does come with the service and installation side of things as a HVAC technician or HVAC contractor, but I probably spent $50 in gas. So $1,400 of straight profit is pretty awesome for one day. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are trying to become an HVAC technician, maybe this is a little bit of motivation to see what is possible. And in the grand scheme of things, $1,500 in one day is not a lot compared to what you can make on the install side. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If so, hit the like button, and we'll catch y'all on the next repair video. Later.